Hi everyone, we are at one of our investment properties and tenants moved out and we have to make it ready for next month, for September 1st, to put it back on the market. And we were going to talk about what needs to be done and
this video series is gonna be very interesting for all our investors, landlords, and those who want to become landlords to know what to do and how to prepare the property properly for the tenants to move in. Many landlords not sure what to spend the money on when they preparing the property to be rented to the market. In those series of videos, we're going to show you what to spend your money on, what's going to bring you the best return on investment, and what not to spend the money on.
This property has been professionally cleaned, but is not ready for tenants yet. We're gonna do some rentals here, and we'd like to share with you what exactly we're gonna do to make it ready to make sense money-wise.
It's very important to mention that this property will be rented at under $1,500 per month, and it's very important to know what is the price range we are at, because the type of rentals and the type of work definitely depends on the type of a property. We're gonna put way more money into more expensive property. On the other hand, we're gonna waste a lot of money on a cheaper property that nobody's gonna appreciate and pay us for.
Stay tuned for a series of our upcoming videos where we're going to show what we're going to do with this unit, what rentals, and how we're going to prepare it for new tenants.